Welcome into SQ World. Today in this tutorial, I will explore the benefits of SelectorHub, a tool for generating and checking XPath and CSS selectors. SelectorHub saves you time by automatically creating accurate selectors, help you learn how these selectors works, and makes your automated test more reliable. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search SelectorHub extension for Chrome, and then click on this link SelectorHub Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. SelectorHub extension has been successfully added into Chrome browser. Now we will see how to find the XPath and CSS selector by SelectorHub. After adding this extension, you need to reopen the browser or open the website URL into new tab. Then this extension will be working fine. Right click on specific field and then click on copy relative XPath. Here you can view, we can easily find the relative and CSS selector by using this extension. Click on inspect and then click on double arrow and then click on SelectorHub. After installing this extension, and you can view after installation, we need to restart the browser or open website in new tab. Just copy and open this URL into new tab. Now we can easily find the XPath and CSS selector of this element by using SelectorHub. Click on double arrow and then click on SelectorHub. Here we can view relative XPath and CSS selector. We do not need to create the relative XPath and CSS selector by manually. Just copy this relative XPath and add into your project like by dot CSS selector and paste the value here dot set keys. And here we enter the username. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to SQ World. Hit the bell icon for updates. Have questions or topic you want to see? Comment below. Thanks for watching.